Hi, my name is Jeff, and welcome back to yet another video, and today I'll be showing you guys, the people on the interwebs, how to draw a Fallout 4 symbol. Now first, what you want to do, you want to draw a slanted line just like that. You want to draw a line going off of that, just like that. Kind of like a square root symbol almost, but without the little doo-doo. Then you want to draw another slanted line, just like that. You want to make a line across of that. Then you want to draw the little Fallout symbol in the middle of it. I'll be right back after I've done that. So after I'm done with that, you just make want to make bubble letters of Fallout. Then the 4 that looks kind of like that. My camera will focus. But I made it on kind of a larger scale so you all could see. But even if you want to add the little opening quote, war never changes on the top, that's what I usually do. You can add that. But I hope you guys liked the video. That has been how to draw a Fallout 4 symbol. Tune in for the next how to draw. Have a good day.